All right, just like yesterday, we had the clouds developing across the higher elevations. You want to beat the heat, got to head up to the high country, that's for sure. But another perfect evening ahead of us. A weakening wave tomorrow brings us more cloud coverage than anything else. And then Thursday into Friday, we'll start to see that unsettled weather pattern set up shop. That's going to be with us through the weekend. Maybe Monday brings us the more coverage of rainfall. We'll see how it all plays out. By the way, if you're just now tuning in, I had eye surgery done last Thursday, so we're getting better. But these studio lights, they're so bright. Here's your evening forecast. Enjoy it. We're going to be in the low 80s by 8 o'clock here tonight. Low 60s overnight tonight. So a nice quiet start to our day on Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be a nice start to the day, and we're going to continue to see those temperatures come up. Now, I'll shave off a couple of degrees on Wednesday from what we saw on Tuesday due to the fact that, well, we've got this weak wave moving its way on through. So we're going to see some morning clouds hanging out with us. Could have an amazing sunrise taking shape, by the way, depending on the timing of everything. But this weak little wave will bring us maybe just a couple of scattered light rain showers for the first half of our Wednesday. Second half, we'll begin to see improving weather conditions, but the clouds are still going to hang out with us. So do anticipate a lot more cloud coverage on Wednesday than what we saw throughout the day today. Not a lot of rain associated with that forecast. So again, it's kind of a weakening wave, maybe some light sprinkles or a couple of light showers. And that should be about the extent of it. 3-day forecast. We're going to see temps stay in the low 80s, though, but unsettled weather Thursday and Friday. Just to give you an idea of the synoptic scale pattern, what does it look like? How does our weather play out here locally based on what's going on across the rest of the country? Well, the warm temperature is associated with a nice little ridge of high pressure that's dominating much of the eastern seaboard with a trough to our north and west. That's allowed our temperatures to warm into the 80s and even some pockets of 90s. We'll do it on Wednesday. We'll shave off a few degrees on into our Thursday thanks to more cloud coverage and a better chance for some rain. And speaking of which, we do have that elevated rain chances, not to mention strong to severe thunderstorms as we head into the day on Thursday. So basically Wednesday into Thursday, I should say, that's where that stalled out frontal boundary will create a mess and some severe weather possible from Dallas, Texas, all the way up to the Great Lakes, up into Erie, Pennsylvania, and beyond. So here's how it all plays out. Here's that weak little wave that's going to be heading our way on Wednesday. That weakens as it moves its way through East Tennessee, so you see the rain showers just kind of fizzle on out. These are those strong thunderstorms that we'll be watching closely for your Wednesday night into Thursday morning. But once again, this pushes across the state and just kind of fizzles out. So we're again all the way through Thursday, maybe even Friday time frame. We'll see some scattered showers for sure, but I think we'll see a little bit better chance for some showers and thunderstorms on late Thursday into our Friday morning. That really is going to be the general idea, but we'll go 40 to 60% chance of rain basically from now through Monday. I know it's a holiday weekend. Kind of a bummer, but what do you expect in the month of May? And that's going to continue on into the summer months. So not much in the form of rain all the way through Thursday. Thursday into Friday, we'll start to see more rain showers pick up. So from now through Thursday, the heavy is going to be along and, well, just West Tennessee down along the Mississippi River Valley into Little Rock. Then we go Friday, Saturday, Sunday time frame, and when you add those days up, combined with the next couple of days, we'll continue to see that heavy rain creep its way into west and middle Tennessee. And now we'll add Sunday, Monday, Tuesday into the mix, and so you'll start to see that creep even more so further to the east. And so when all is said and done, I think that we'll probably get a little bit more rain probably on Memorial Day or the day after, maybe-ish, but we're likely to week's worth of rainfall of about 1 inch to 2 inches. So we'll keep you posted on that. All right, so temperature-wise, we're going to be in the low to mid-80s. Got to change the numbers on there. It's moving off the charts. Average high for this time of year is 80 degrees. Average low is 58. We'll drop down into the 60s to get our days started. And we may be trending maybe above average. There's some signals that we may be trending above average, if not right around average. Although a little pocket of cool air may be settling on in as we head into the first week of June. It's not seeing any June gloom. We don't need that. Here we go. So rainfall amounts, or not amounts, but the probability of rainfall may be above average to round out the month of May and maybe average just to start the month of June. So we'll keep you posted on how this all plays out from the Weather Prediction Center to the Climate Prediction Center, the Storm Prediction Center, who issues severe weather risks across the country, the East Tennessee Weather Center, which, by the way, you can get all this center-ish information from the East Tennessee Weather app. If you don't have it yet, go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search East TN Weather, all one word. It's a great tool for all your local weather information and beyond, right there in your back pocket. Have a great rest of your evening. It's perfect outside.